Oh yeah, guys, you already know you already know what game we're playing. This is called Paradise Island. Paradise Island. So, let's get into it. I hope I can play. Okay, you wake up on a beach next to your boat, destroyed by the crash. You find a camera and film your expedition on this strange place. You must find a way to escape and return home. Okay, move, run, torch. Uh, G to pill, F enter. Yo, this looks good. Hello. Any foul beast around here trying to kill us? Because I'm very, very scared right now, man. I need somebody to help me. Like, literally, right now. It's pitch. So what do we do? What do we do? We got a flashlight, right? Let me see. What's the Q? Wait. I said Q, right? But nah. Where'd it go? Okay, run with shift. We got blinking lights. Any dangerous creatures lurking, trying to kill us, stalking us? Anyone? Hello? Guys, I don't really know what to do with this. I don't even know which way to go. I don't even know which way Wait, the beach was that. Okay, obviously, let's check out this house. Oh, I feel good when I edge my hair. I don't know why, but it feels so good. Like, it's magnificent, my guy. Alright. Who calls such madness? Grab. Okay, I'm writing this because I think I'm being followed. I'm being followed by some strange creature. It's been 5 days since I began to see Selhalot in the dark distance, but now I hear screams and footsteps at night near my house. Oh, nice. Hello, any strange creatures lurking in the darkness? Hello? Hello? What are you? Alright, you stay there. Let me check out the house a little bit. You know what? Okay. You're all in my space, Mike. Hello? Hello? He's gone. Guys, he disappeared. He's gone. Alright. We gotta find some, man. We got a strange looking predator on the loose right now, guys. Hello? Where are you, man? Where are you? Hello? Just stay there. Don't follow me. I have a knife and a flash. I got a flashlight. I mean, you can think I have a knife. Just please stay. Hello? What are you trying to do? Like, bro, I can hear your. What is up here? This is like some. Alright, I'm getting the Siren Head vibes now. Siren Head vibes right now. More pills. Would anybody? Is there anybody? Oh my god, that's getting louder and louder. My god. Oh my head. Okay. We're gonna have to face this beast. Either way, so. I gotta go the other way though. You can keep your yapping over there, sir. Nobody don't want to hear that. I can still go that way? What? There's... Oh. Wait, what? I'm the only one that's seen it. I thought you can go more. Alright. Okay. Please keep your distance. Don't follow me. And I hope it's only one and not multiple. Just stay your distance, and then we can both go our, awesome separate races. Hello? Hello? Yo, this looks just like the... This guy is teleporting closer and closer every second. Okay, okay. Hello, 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 big guy, big guy, big guy, big guy. Yeah. Please keep your, please don't follow me. Please, I promise I will not hurt you. I have nothing to defend myself. Except for a flashlight. That helps me see at night. Please. Yo, why does this look like the mannequin house? I played the mannequin game. This looked just like the mannequin thing. It looks exactly like the mannequin. If you check out my other channel, this looks exactly like it. And that thing over there, you seen that ladder I was trying to get up? That was on the mannequin. Yo, they put a lot of stuff in here as the mannequin. You need to unlock to open. It said need key, need like, bro, you have to. Alright, strange monsters. Don't kill me. I will give you like every hamburger sausage on the planet, my guy. Please leave me alone. Ah! I got scared of that. I got scared of that. Wow. Wow. But where do we even go, man? I gotta find something to break that, but I literally can die. Like, well, of course I can, but where can you possibly find this key at? Is it not here? Oh, obviously not. Well, this is just like the mannequin. This is literally on the mannequin. Yo, this is literally just like the mannequin. They got the wheels everywhere. That is crazy how they could just make their own little thing. Hello, strange looking species. Please keep your distance and I will not have to use this flashlight on you, buddy. Alright. Any predators lurking for me? Just keep your distance and I keep mine, please. I think we have to get up here, though, for some reason. He's right there. My God. He's right there. Need a cutter. Need a cutter to cut the fence. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me right now, bro. A cutter? Sure, a cutter would be best over there, where I was at, right? It has to be a cutter back over there. It has to be something. I don't even know what a cutter look like. Shoot, cut the fence open, whatever. That looks like the tool shop. It must be. It has to be something here, right, guys? You really gonna do that? Come on, buddy. But the thing is, I can't get over here, though. Oh, yes, I can. See, I can't. It will not let me go this way. I can't go straight. It has to be right. Am I right or wrong? It has to be something over here. Anything. It has to be something that I can use to cut the fence, right? Has to, man. Has to. You gotta be kidding. It's nothing in here, Chris. That's just for decoration. That's crazy. You really think you could use that too? Hello. Please just let me walk through, and I will not. Hello. You didn't see me. You didn't see anything. Just let me pass through. You scary monster. All right, let me walk. Hello. 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 Who are you? Who are you? Please don't chase me. I just want to be free. We got another way. And a monster. A monster. Leave me alone, please. Oh, back this way. Oh, we made it to safety. Is there anything? Like a key, anything? Yo, I don't know. Hello? Unlock? Man, I don't think I'm gonna be able to finish this game. They got too much stuff and you can't find anything on here. Like, it's crazy. Wait, what is that? 2? 2581. 2581. 2 5. Huh? You gotta be kidding. Wait a minute. Is I'm what did I do wrong? Guys, what is happening? 2581. Unless I'm missing some. Wait a minute. Is I'm bro? No, that's it. It's so obvious. 2581 or 2518. I mean, the 8 was in front of the 1, so I mean, it shouldn't matter, right? I'm losing my mind. Oh yeah, we can't even beat this game now. Man, I really wanted to beat it. We ain't gonna even be able to beat it. Like, what is that for? 2581. It's obvious for this one, but it's not letting me. It's not working. Unless that's not it. But it looks like that should be it. Am I right? Unless you're supposed to switch the numbers around, you shouldn't have to do that. Man, I guess we about to call it quits because I tried it and I don't know. Unless I'm doing it wrong, it should just work. It should just work. Why is it always me? These codes don't be working for crap, my guy. To try to switch it around. Unless you gotta do the. Let me try the opposite way. 8. No. No, it was 1, right? 1, 8, 5, 2. Wait a minute, did I do it wrong? Like, God, I know, bro. I promise. I think that's it, but it's just not. It just doesn't want to work. All right, it definitely has to be that one thing now. Wait, what? That's not it. Then what is it? Really? You just wanna keep saying R this whole time, my guy? Get alive, brother. Alright, yeah, I'm lost. Cause we can't get that open, then then it's pointless even playing this. Alrighty then. Hello, strange creature. I'm gonna leave your world for eternity. Cause I guess I won't be able to beat this game. If I can't get that code, it's pointless even playing. So guys, see you lovely chat in the next video. It's your friendly neighborhood channel special. See you lovely chat in the next video. See ya, buddy. See ya.